Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, thinking of starting a new series. It's going to be all the different things you can do productively with a Home Depot bucket. So I was gifted a nice chunk of chain right here. I don't know if you can tell or not. I wash it off with some water, but it's fairly oxidized. And so I watched some YouTube videos on how to condition these chains, and one of the things to clean them up was people were just soaking them for a week in vinegar. So I'm going to try that. So I have vinegar. I use it for cleaning my my Keurig machine. So let's vinegar this thing and see what happens. See if that shows up. There we go. Okay, for the vinegar, I just use, looks like I got this one at Sam's Club. I picked up some more at Smart & Final today. But it's just regular old white vinegar, food grade vinegar, 5% acidity. So it works great for cleaning cleaning coffee machines and stuff like that. So let's fill up a little bit of that bucket. Okay, we'll find a nice place for this to sit. We'll check it every few days and see what it looks like. So I'm thinking, need to make a table. Set it right back in that corner. Okay, so let's take a look. I don't know if you can tell, there is definitely some kind of, all kinds of nasty junk in there. Oh my goodness, let's pull that chain out and see what it looks like. Tell you, it looks like a brand new chain, but with just some gunk on it. So let's see if I can wash that gunk off with some with that. Absolutely works. I mean, it's been over 100 degrees every day, so it really cooked in that stuff. So it's been like between 105 and 114 every single day for the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, however long it's been that it's been in there. So it cooked it. And okay. Vinegar to clean a rusty chain. That absolutely works. Alrighty, out.